Hi, my name's Lisa. I'm a corporate chef and I have my own business, Baked in Barrel. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful bread and butter pudding using the Helga's cafe style thick cut bread. The first thing we're going to do is to spread it with some nice Medley original margarine. So we're going to get a really nice covering on the base of this gastronome tray. So be quite liberal, making sure that you're getting all the edges as well. Now once you've buttered, you're going to get some caster sugar and just give that a nice sprinkle as well. Now we're going to give our Helga's traditional cafe style thick cut bread a nice butter. Once our bread is ready, we're just going to give it a cut in half on the diagonal, and then we're going to lay it into our gastronome tray, layer up our peaches. Next step is our anglaise. So we've just got this off the heat and we're just going to pour this straight over our bread and butter pudding. Fill in all those little holes with your custard. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees and then put into the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, and when that's nice and brown and everything's set, it's ready to go. Our bread and butter pudding is done, so I've pulled it out of the oven and I've let it sit for about 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to pop the raspberries on. It gives it a really nice burst of colour and some extra fruit and flavour to our pudding. And then after that, it's just cut and serve. So there we go, Grandma's bread and butter pudding done and dusted for you.